Welcome to the Guidewire Roadmap 2026 video. This video outlines a structured learning and career path for mastering Guidewire technologies in the insurance industry. For more information, please visit www.hopeinfotech.com. The Guidewire Roadmap is a structured career path for building expertise in Guidewire technologies, which are widely adopted by global insurance companies. This platform manages core operations like policy administration, claims processing, and billing systems, making a defined roadmap essential for both beginners and experienced professionals. After training, learners can explore high-demand roles. The Guidewire developer customizes applications like Policy Center and Claim Center, using GoSu programming and configurations. The Guidewire tester focuses on quality assurance, involving test case writing, defect tracking, and validating business workflows. Choosing the right training institute is crucial for a successful Guidewire career. We are committed to delivering high-quality, job-oriented training that bridges the gap between learning and real-world industry requirements in Guidewire and other in-demand technologies. Our services include placement assistance, helping students secure positions with resume building and mock interviews. We offer real-time project exposure to understand Guidewire applications in business environments. We also provide certification guidance for validating skills and improving career opportunities. Learning Guidewire offers strong career advantages and practical industry exposure. Guidewire is in high demand globally, requiring skilled professionals in development, testing, and business analysis. This training opens excellent career opportunities as a Guidewire developer, tester, or business analyst in top MNCs. Key features of the course include covering all core modules, such as Policy Center, Claim Center, and Billing Center, along with essential insurance domain concepts. Learners gain hands-on experience through real-time scenarios and case studies that align with current industry standards. In conclusion, Guidewire is a leading insurance industry platform that streamlines core operations like policy management and claims processing. Amid digital transformation and cloud adoption, Guidewire plays a critical role in modernizing insurance businesses. Thank you for your attention. For more details, visit www.hopeinfotech.com or call +919 951 609 609.